What's that? What's that? Here. It's the letter. Hey, good job, Adriel. Good job. This one, baby. Where you put this one? This one, this one. Where you put that one? Where is it? Wow, good job. Very good. Other way, baby. Other way. Kuya will help you. You got the right spot, but it's... Yep. Good job. So you... Kiyo, what's this one? Kiyo. Letter I. Put it back. What's missing? What's this one? What's this one? Y-N? S. Other way, baby. Other way. Durot me. Ikot me, ikot. More ikot. Other way. Oh, yan. Very good. More. More ikot. More. There. A. Where's the letter A? Did you turn on the lights? Turn it off.
Time is the real truth. Keep on subscribe sa our social media account. At it's showtime na dahil we share this. Especially for
Ayan. Ay, abot ni. Ah. Chami na buka Ken. Cute. Oh, 25. Pili tayong labeler ng name. Ha? Pa-try. Bili tayong labeler ng name. May nag-order na tayo kaso hindi pa siya dumadating. Bukas na yung pasukan. So, kumuha tayo ng isang blue na dynamo. Adriel, put that back. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Don't touch the scissors. Oh, let's go by there. Oh, let's go. Let's find some pencil case naman. Pencil case. That's only, 74 cents. You get one. You want black? Ito yung pencil case. So, grab one of these blue. Pencil case. Ganda, meron pa malaki dito. So, hindi ko sure kung sa'yo mag-ama. Inya di $3 lang. Ha? 28. Oh, that's nice one. Pero bumili na ako di yung panda kasi naantay na lang natin yun. Na-double nga tayo. Ang tagal dumating wala pang label yung mga gamit ni Clears. Adriel, where's your bottle? No, you get your bottle there. The blue one. Pilit yung kinukuha yung black. Flashcard. Wala lang kay. What are you doing, Adriel? Hoy, leave that one back. Put it back there. Come on, let's go now. Let's go. We don't have any more time. Parang gusto ko ng ganito. Pink. Di kunin ko to Taga na lang. Tag 50 cents. Para sa mga tapes and ball pens. O kaya nga kasong mahal. $69. Labeler. Yun yung labeler. Labeling machine.
display icon.
Ha?
Wala lang display.
Put that one back. Oh, put that one back. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Put that one back. Where did you get it from? Over there. And grab your bottles as well. Grab your bottles. We grab these 2 bottles as well. One for you and one for Kuya. Good job. Hold this one. Hold this one for me. Let's go. Wala na tayo. Yun lang naman kailangan natin, labeler. Tapos, what's that? Huh? Oh, let's go now. Let's go now. Hey. Off to Bunnings. Adriel is pushing the small trolley. Ha? Kaya nga. Ito tayo sa Bunnings. Naghanap tayo ng lock ng mga cabinets. Tapos, kasi yung iba nasira na. Tapos yung iba, yung isa, yung sa foam para dun sa corner sa kwarto. Kasi nauuntog sila dun. So, lalagyan natin siya ng foam. Aray! Bedahan-dahan naman eh. Ganda ng lighting sa Bunnings. Ang nabili natin is yung roll na yun. Pang which is $14.31. Hindi yun. Buo yun eh. Yung buong mataas. Ay, lock sa ano? Cabinet? Yan ba yun? Pwede la din. Kaya nga, yan ba? Side lamon eh. Malakas siya kaya. Wala na nga liwalay kalupanitan kaya katama. Oh no. So mahal. Paano la din? How it works. Eh, paano pag gitna ita, di ba? Wala namang corner. Halimbawa, retangke plates na ang pamalit mo. Yun sa ano, hindi kasi corner yung iba nating cabinet. So, Adriel, pawisan. Dali, look yourself. Kapawas mo, nak. Pawis mo. Paano ka muli Pilipinas, bebe? Very hot there. Don't eat that. Alime. Pawisan niya din, daddy. Today is already 36 degrees po. And alas 10 lang. Kasi 41 degrees ata ngayon.
Pawisan niya.
May aircon naman. Bakit? Rinig kayo. Pawis.
Wala kasi aircon dulot eh.
Ha?
No, Peter.
Ito madagong. Ito yung aircon dulot.
Peter.
Video. Vlog. Hi, vlog. Say hi, camera. Say hi, vlog. Hi. Hi, guys. Amo. Hi, guys. Amo. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my video.
Saan eh?
Ay, yabang. Patay na yung ilaw. Hi, guys. Uy, yabang na. Inanan nyo kanya, yabang na. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Ay. Say hi, guys. Welcome back to my video. Kita ka.
Currently, one restaurant is equivalent to approximately 2,100 francs. However, it's almost impossible to buy that. One provides some dollars for the value banknotes. 10,000 francs is about $3.3 US. As today's this technology is lacking in Burundi. The jobs that exist in other countries don't exist here. We are on our way to conduct interviews with professionals from various classes.
Ayo, no, this is not a toy baby.
They usually consume potatoes and beans as their food sources of energy are
Wait.
very limited. Begging is very common among people. With
Daddy Akiyo or Akiyo B? Daddy! Akiyo or Akiyo B? Wait! Dakadaramdaman. Na? Tapos dot. There's no dot.
That to do
Put
that.
this one here. This is the... How does it work? Wait.
carry the bananas or other loads on their heads day and night.
How does it work?
20 times a day, sometimes walking barefoot and transporting from the village.
Wait, baby, wait. Wait, mommy.
From one city to another on foot, exhaust their bodies
I think
and
like
health
that.
is broke. At
Is
the
it?
last stop, Bujumbura City Market, most products are sold directly from the farmer, as there's not enough technology to process or package the product.
Yel, don't press it.
There's something. There's something.
No touching, no touching. It's printing now. He's very curious. So what we have here is, and then you press the cut. And then you will have a name. So that's the name. Then you stick it in your... Here, come on. Here, come here. You are Adriel, you're not Akio.
The country's second largest city and capital with a population of 135,000.
Oh, this is two labels. So you put it here. So you have a name tag.
Political privileges in
Huh?
every corner
Huh?
of the country is well rejected today, and
So
survival
this
of one
is
bundle of the car to skip
the look.
police checkpoints. Police checkpoints here starts with this threshold across.
Ano natin?
Our guide, people are from
Hindi
the
ko sure kung paano palitan yung format, size, style, borders.
Our driver has
I think style
to
natin.
police, but they said that our car will be towed away.
Italic
There's a
natin.
crack in the windshield. The driver
Ay,
often
pangit ang
negotiates with the
italic.
police and pays a bribe of 5,000
Setting.
francs, which is about $1.6.
Format na lang, style natin. And then, oh no, don't open it, baby. Don't open it, no opening. Outline. Yung outline okay siya. Ang kaso, baka hindi siya masyadong border. Ah, meron siyang ganito. Pag border, meron siyang mga ganyan. Ang video ko. Kuya Akiyo, first step school. Ready na siya. Ay, ready ka na nga ba, nak? Nagbe-breakfast lang siya. Tapos, ready na din yung baon niya. Ito, may banana, sandwich, and then some sweet. Tapos, chicken nuggets. Akiyo. 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 Nalina lakad ka, bagalin lakad. Let's go ng